All afternoon, but I haven't seen any.
Me too, Tiger. I've been hunting everywhere. But wait, I have an idea. Would it be better if we hunt food together? Rah!
You're right, friend Tiger. Come on, let's go. Let's try to look in the meadows. I heard there are rabbits playing around and grazing there.
The tiger and the lion went in the meadows and saw a rabbit grazing. Seeing the two fierce animals,